What's up, guys? I'm Weatherman Joey Greco with Husky Weather. Now, you probably thought, well, winter's over, right? It's the second week of May going on the third. Well, I guess it's not. Denver just got over 10 inches of snow. 10 inches. Meanwhile, it's raining and 80 degrees here. They just got 10 inches. So, I guess it's not completely impossible to say we probably won't get too much snow, but there's a good chance it's not. Thought I might scare you just a little bit. So, moving on to more local news. Prom is this weekend. Ladies and gentlemen, you getting your pictures on this Saturday? Well, unfortunately, it will rain for the better half of this week. I'll get to that in just a second. Rain this Friday night. Not a lot, maybe a little bit of a drizzle. Good news, no rain Saturday. It will be in the 60s, but a little bit partly cloudy, I should say. So, and I'll explain that in just the next picture. So if you're looking at pictures, mostly pictures of later afternoon, this is what we're looking at. Now, I don't usually show you this, but this is strictly from NOAA, and this is what I look at. So right around here is this high pressure system. Now, that high pressure system is right around 1024 millibars, and if you've been doing your homework and keeping up with what I've been saying, that's pretty strong. And what high pressure systems do, they keep clouds away and precipitation away. But it is fairly south of us, and we're up here. Now, good news is that low pressure systems and those warm fronts and cold fronts, they're pretty far away from us. So Saturday afternoon will be pretty clear. Friday it could be a little rainy, so just a heads up. Now, will it rain? Yes, it will for the better half of this week, but primarily on Thursday. We're missing a giant piece of it, though, just off to our west, east, I should say, and that's where we are. So less than half an inch, nothing too crazy, but over this week it will be we'll be catching a lot of precipitation. So first half of this week, like I was just saying, these low pressure systems are what are going to bring our precipitation, and we got our high pressure systems just out to our west, and that's going to come later in the week. Now, what's happening with all these low pressure systems is this warm, moist air is getting pulled up, and that's fueling the rain for these next couple of days. So we're getting rain from the south. We're going to be a little cold, so I don't know. Take that with a grain of salt if that's good news or not. So like I said, as we get later in the week, it does rain a little bit. It starts to taper off. Those temperatures do get a little bit warmer. Lows just out to our west. Then this high pressure system, like I said, on Saturday, it'll be down here, but maybe Thursday, Friday be just over us. And that's going to pull up this not as warm and not as moist air. So it won't be as warm, but it won't be rainy. So that's some good news. Now moving on to your Husky 5-day forecast. No, I did not mess this up. This is all rain. This is supposed to be rain, I know. But good news, weekends, nice and partly cloudy as we break the 60s. So Tuesday, high of 66 and low of 47. Wednesday, some rain, high of 59 and low of 44. Thursday, you guessed it, some rain, high of 56 and low of 40. Then Friday, you think, no, it's going to rain. High of 57, low of 39. Not as much as the days before, and then we get into the weekend, like I was saying, for that prom weekend, right? We're all excited, high of 60, low of 43, partly cloudy. So there's your Husky 5-day forecast, guys. Thanks for tuning in.